Germany, about 230 million years ago. The Tessis Ocean, a vast expanse of water reaching into Europe, was crucial in influencing the paleogeography of the continent. A decline in sea levels led to the inundation of continental shelves, forming shallow, warm seas and broad coastal regions. These settings were perfect for the evolution of marine reptiles and a diverse array of other marine organisms. Nothosaurus, a piscivorous Nothosaurid. Nothosaurus was a semi-aquatic creature that likely led a lifestyle akin to modern seals. Measuring around 13 feet in length, it featured long, webbed toes and possibly a fin on its tail. However, certain species of Nothosaurus could grow larger, reaching lengths of 16 to 23 feet. While swimming, Nothosaurus utilized its tail, legs, and webbed feet to navigate and propel itself through the water. Its skull was broad and flat, equipped with long jaws lined with needle-like teeth, which it likely used to catch fish and other marine life. Reports from June 2014 indicated that Nothosaur tracks found in Yunnan, China were interpreted as paddle impressions made as these animals dug into the soft seabed, using rowing motions to stir up hidden benthic creatures that they would then snap up. Once prey was caught, few animals could escape the grip of a Nothosaurus. In many ways, its body structure was similar to that of the later plesiosaurs, although it was not as well adapted to life in the water. It is believed that one lineage of Nothosaurs may have evolved into pliosaurs like Leopleurodon. Nothosaurus flourished in warm, shallow waters, mainly preying on fish and crabs, and possibly eggs as well. A fossilized Nothosaurus was found with a Coelophysis hatchling in its stomach, indicating that either the young Coelophysis were quite daring or that Nothosaurs hunted juvenile dinosaurs, potentially by coming onto land or ambushing them like crocodiles do. Nothosaurus fossils have been found all across the globe, specifically in Germany and China. The term Nothosaurus translates to false lizard. It is derived from the Greek terms nothos, which means false, and sauros, which means lizard. This designation highlights that although Nothosaurus was indeed a reptile, it possessed features suited for life in water, setting it apart from numerous other reptiles of its era.